Hey there, are you tired of your emails looking like everyone else's? Want to inject a little personality into your communication? Well, you are in the right place because today we're diving into the world of custom email templates in Kajabi. It might sound fancy, but trust me, it's surprisingly easy, even if you're new to all of this tech stuff. By the end of this video, you will be designing emails to make your subscribers go, wow! By the way, if anyone here is new to Kajabi or you're thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below this video. You are going to get a full 30-day free trial from me. Now, normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you're going to get a 14-day trial. However, with my link, you will receive a full 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that, right? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business, and you're going to get the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all of that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you. So thank you so much for using that. And with that in mind, let's dive in to Kajabi. Now take a close look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You're going to see several different options like products, sales, and website. Today, we're focusing on the one that says marketing. Give it a click and let's see what's behind that door. The marketing section is like your email command center. This is where you'll manage your funnels, create email campaigns, automations, and track your results. But for now, we are just interested in a specific part of the section called email campaigns. Can you find it? It's usually located in the upper part, just right below overview. Go ahead and give email campaigns a click. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You see that black button that says Add New Email Campaign? That's our starting point. Click it and let's move on to the next step. When you click that black button, Kajabi will ask you to choose between two different options. Number one, email broadcast, or number two, email sequence. Now, don't worry if you're not sure what these mean just yet. We'll cover them in more detail in another video. For now, we're just going to focus on creating a single email. So go ahead and click email broadcast and hit the continue button. Now you'll be presented with a page full of pre-made email templates. These templates are a great starting place if you're short on time. But today we're going to build our own custom template from scratch. So scroll a little down the page until you see the option called single text. That's our blank canvas. Go ahead and click on it and then click Get Started. Now, before we start designing, Kajabi wants you to give your templates a name. Now, this is not the subject line that your subscribers will see. It's just a name for you to reference later on. Think of it like giving your artwork a title before you hang it on the wall. You can call it anything you want, like my first ever template, or my weekly newsletter template, or even something fun like email magic. Once you've chosen a name, type it in the box labeled title for this email and click on the create button. All right, now we're on the edit broadcast page. At first glance, it might look a little bit overwhelming, but don't panic. I'll walk you through every step. So click on the Edit Content just between the options Select Recipients and Schedule Email. Scroll down below and click on the grayed area under the email content where you can find the black button, Edit Content, and hit that one. First things first, let's add your logo to the top. It's like putting your stamp on it. See that button that says Add Section on your left side? Give it a click and a bunch of different blocks will appear. Find the one that says Logo, click on it, and then click Add. Now, click back, drag the logo button to the top of the section, and open it. A little placeholder image will appear. Now, you can click on the Pick File button. From there, upload your own image file from your computer. If it looks too big or too small, you can adjust the width using the handy little box right there under the width option where you can input a number. Next, we'll add some text below the logo. Click on the Add section again, find the text block, click Add, and put in the text that you want to write. Think of this as your opening line, kind of like a warm welcome or a quick summary of what your email is all about, such as, hope you like it, then click on Save and go back. Now let's add some visual flair. Click again on the Add section, click on Image, then Add. Drag the image block below your text and click on the placeholder image. You can then choose a picture from your computer to upload. Choose something eye-catching that relates to your email topic. It could be a product photo, a picture of yourself, or a fun graphic as a thumbnail. It's time to give your readers a nudge in the right direction. Find the button, block and drag it below your image, then open it. This is your call to action, or CTA. It's a button that your readers will click on to take the next step, like visiting your website, or signing up for your webinar, or checking out your latest blog post. You can change the button text, type, size, and alignment if you want to make it stand out. You can also add the link text. Change the text on the button to something that grabs their attention, like shop now, or learn more, or click here. Now that your email template is looking absolutely fabulous, it's time to save your hard work. You remember, you don't want to have to recreate this beauty every time you send an email. So first, click on the big Save button at the top right corner of your screen. This ensures that your content will not be lost. Next, look for the button that says Save as Template. Go ahead and give it a click. Now this is where the real magic happens. When you click this button, Kajabi will store your email template as a blueprint that you can use over and over again. A pop-up will appear where you can give your template a name that makes sense to you. For example, if this template is designed for your weekly newsletters, you could call it the Weekly Newsletter Template. If it's a more general purpose template, you might call it Standard Email Template. Choosing a descriptive name will make it easier to find your template later on. After you've given your template a name, click Save to finalize the process. Now comes the fun part. Using your custom template. Let's say you want to send out a new email. Start by creating a new broadcast email just like we did at the beginning of this tutorial. Go to Email Campaigns, hit the Add New Email Campaign, and select Email Broadcast. However, this time, instead of choosing Simple Text, you'll go up to the top of the page and find the section labeled Saved Custom Templates. Click on it, hit Get Started, rename the title, and click Create. And there it is, your beautiful new template. Click on it and watch as Kajabi automatically loads your template into the editor. From here, it's smooth sailing. You don't have to start from scratch. I mean, you just simply go to the edit content again and update the text with your new message. You can swap out the existing image with a new one that's relevant to your current email. You can change the button's link to the appropriate destination. You can even make small tweaks to the text formatting or colors if you'd like. Once you're happy with the changes, you're ready to send your email into the world. And there you have it. You've officially become a Kajabi email template master. Now you can send out emails that are as unique and awesome as you are. Now don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get your full 30-day free trial with Kajabi and access to my exclusive Kajabi Jumpstart course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.